To query the Uniswap interface via API, you will need to start by understanding the basics of Uniswap and its API. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. The Uniswap API provides a set of endpoints that can be used to fetch data from the Uniswap protocol. First, you need to choose the Uniswap version you want to query, as the API endpoints may differ between versions. Currently, Uniswap has three main versions: V1, V2, and V3. Each version has its own API documentation that outlines the available endpoints and their usage. Once you have chosen the version, you can start by fetching the list of available tokens on Uniswap. This can be done by sending a GET request to the token's endpoint. The response will contain a list of token addresses and their corresponding details. Next, you can use the token addresses to fetch the trading pairs and their prices. This can be done by sending a GET request to the pair's endpoint and passing the token addresses as parameters. The response will contain the trading pair details, including the price, liquidity, and volume. To query the Uniswap interface via API, you can use programming languages like Python or JavaScript. You can use libraries like requests in Python or Axios in JavaScript to send HTTP requests to the Uniswap API endpoints. It is also important to handle errors and exceptions properly when querying the Uniswap API. This can be done by checking the status code of the response and handling any errors that may occur. In addition to handling errors, it is also important to follow best practices when querying the Uniswap API. This includes respecting rate limits, caching responses, and using secure connections. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively query the Uniswap interface via API and build powerful applications on top of the Uniswap protocol. Remember to always check the official Uniswap API documentation for the most up-to-date information, and to stay informed about any changes to the API endpoints or usage guidelines.